This video is directed at how to recover data from locked Android phone with broken screen in 5 practical ways. Now, go over this tutorial for more related to this topic. Part 1. Is it possible to recover files from locked Android phones with broken screen? It's not always challenging to recover data from a locked Android phone with a broken screen. For example, if your Android items are on your SD card, it's easy to solve this problem with the Android Recovery Tool. Part 2. Recover data from locked Android phone with broken screen via broken Android data extraction. The USB debugging on my Android phone was not on before its screen is broken. Is there a way to access and recover the content on it? Broken Android data extraction is right here to do you a favor. Part 3. Rescue files from locked Android phone with broken screen via Android Control and ADB. To access a locked Android phone from a PC in this way, you have to download and install Android Control Tool and install Android Debug Bridge ADB on your computer. Part 4. Get data from locked Android phone with broken screen via OTG adapter and mouse. To fulfill this, you have to prepare for an OTG adapter and a mouse device. Then you have to remember the password, pattern, or pin set on your Android screen. Part 5. Access files on a locked Android phone with broken screen via File Explorer. Connect your broken screen phone to the authorized computer with USB debugging enabled. Choose MeTP on your phone. Access internal storage on your computer and copy desired media folders. Part 6. Extract data from locked Android phone with broken screen via Google Drive. Go to Settings, select Backup and Reset. Backup my data. Ensure your Google account is linked on a functioning Android device. Log into your Google account. Navigate to Backup and Restore. Automatic Restore. Bonus: how to unlock Android device with broken screen via Google account. On locked Android, tap Forgot password. Answer Google recovery question. Remember, unlock, access data, set new password. Forget, enter any password 5 times. Enter Google credentials to bypass screen. No data loss.